Howdy, mad scientists! How would you like to learn what it's like to ride high on the back of a dinosaur from way back when? Well, this season, Mad Science is bringing you a heaping helping of laughs and learning as we discover the biology, physiology, and funology of dinosaurs on the prairie. Yeah! Riding on the back of this thing is a lot more difficult than riding on the back of a Bronco. Not only do I have less to hold on to, but this thing keeps trying to eat me. I bet y'all never wondered if it was rougher to get stepped on by a titanosaur than to get scratched by a raptor. Well, we're gonna find out the answer. You think just you get hangry, mad scientists? Some dinosaurs ate up to 1 ton of trees per day. And I'm not even gonna show you what the T-Rex ate. Ugh! Both dinosaurs and critters like chickens have hollow bones and nearly hollow heads. That makes training these two tougher than a $2 steak. So get ready to have a blast from way back past with Mad Science's Dino Rodeo. Give us a call so we can come down to your ranch soon, you hear? Yeah!